Most men treat masturbation like a chore. It is fast, predictable, and just something you do to get it out of the way so you can move on. If that sounds familiar, here is the part most people never hear. The way you masturbate has a large impact on your sex life with a partner. Getting hard, staying hard, controlling when you climax, how sensitive or numb you feel. Your solo routine trains all of these things. The same routine can also fix them when they drift off course. Small changes to the way you touch yourself can become the fastest path to real progress. It sounds simple because it is. Here is why. Masturbation is a dress rehearsal for sex with someone else. Imagine you are rehearsing a play alone in your living room for months or even years, and then on opening night you expect to perform live on stage, without any nerves, without any practice of pacing, without any audience feedback. Of course you would struggle under those circumstances. Sex works the same way in real life. I am Dr. Emma Blake, urology and men's health expert. Small changes in your solo practice can improve erection quality, staying power, orgasm control, and overall pleasure for you and for her. Treat this like training, not a race. That is why I am going to give you 10 things to try during masturbation that can improve your ability to please her and help you experience new levels of pleasure yourself. Number 1. Use lubrication. Sex with a real person is slick and wet, or at least that is the goal. So your solo practice should match that environment. If you struggle with delayed ejaculation, you may feel like you need a rougher and drier touch to finish, but then in bed with a lubricated partner, you get close and cannot cross the line. Train your body to climax with lubrication. It can take a little time, but your sensitivity will adapt. Your skin and nerve endings will be happier and you will have better control. If you want to last longer, lubrication also helps by lowering friction, so you can regulate arousal more easily. Saliva is not enough. A body-safe lubricant is. If you like a lighter feel, choose a water-based formula. If you want it ultra-slick and long-lasting, choose a silicone-based formula. A few sessions is all it takes to retrain the sensation. Number 2. Switch hands. It may feel awkward, but switching hands knocks your brain out of autopilot, which is essential for better performance in bed. It also reduces the chance of a repetitive strain pattern from using the same motion for years. If your non-dominant hand makes climax difficult, alternate during the session. Build with the dominant hand, switch for a minute, then switch back. Or change every minute on the clock. Even a small change pulls you into the present and breaks old ruts. Number 3. Take your time. If you usually finish in 30 to 90 seconds by yourself, what makes you think you will last 10 minutes when you are excited and face to face with someone you want? Give yourself a real runway. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes. If you do not have 15 minutes, explore arousal without climax and save ejaculation for later. Do not default to a quick stress relief loop. You are training timing, regulation, and awareness. This is the foundation of lasting longer with a partner. Number 4, include your whole body. Many men treat sensual touch as something they give, not something they can also feel. Practice on yourself. Press a warm palm over your chest and abdomen. Let your hand travel slowly along hips and thighs. Roll your shoulders. Try gentle nipple play if it is interesting to you. Run your fingertips along your skin to wake up more of your sensory map. If none of that appeals, take a slow hot shower first, breathe, and let warm water soften the skin. Use a foam roller or a massage gun briefly to loosen tension. Move to music you enjoy. Anything that brings you back into your senses counts. The better you know your own body's responses, the better you can create sensation for her later. Number 5, change positions. Variety is the spice of sex because it challenges your body to maintain arousal and control in different angles and muscle engagements. Do not stay in the same office chair. Try standing, try side lying, try kneeling. try a light bridge pose with hips lifted, or sit on the edge of the bed with both feet grounded. Notice how posture affects erection quality, timing, and comfort. You are practicing real-world conditions, so you can stay composed in multiple positions with a partner. Number 6, tease yourself. Anticipation is a performance enhancer for everyone, and it is especially helpful if you deal with erection inconsistency or climaxing sooner than you want. Keep your underwear on at first and explore touch over fabric. Breathe slowly until you feel fully aroused and eager. Only then begin strokes. Start slow and build gradually. This gives you time to feel more, lowers anxiety, and makes it easier to regulate the urge to climax. Number 7, practice edging. Bring yourself to the edge of orgasm, stop, and let the urge dial down with relaxed breathing. Then build again. Do this 2 to 4 times in a 15 to 30-minute session. The obvious benefit is learning exactly where your point of no return lives so you can last longer with a partner. The bonus is that when you finally allow yourself to finish, it often feels more powerful and satisfying because arousal built in waves instead of one sprint. Number 8, use a condom during practice. If you hate condoms because they dull sensation or make it harder to stay hard, adapt at home. Wear one during solo sessions until your body learns the feel. Add a small bead of lubricant inside the tip and a light coat outside for glide. Yes, it may be frustrating at first. Better to adapt in private than to avoid protection with a partner and create avoidable risks. Practice so your body can enjoy sex with a condom on. Number 9, use a device if you are curious. Sex toys are tools and they can make you better. A well-made sleeve or stroker can teach rhythm and consistent pressure. A properly fitting ring worn briefly can help you understand engorgement and timing. A prostate massager can introduce a different kind of pleasure if you want to explore that path. Choose body-safe materials, clean devices per instructions, and never sleep in a ring. Owning a tool that improves skill and sensation is a sign you take your sexual health seriously. Number 10, take a break from porn and rebuild attention. When porn is the main switch you flip, your focus is outside your body. Training is the opposite. Use imagination, audio erotica, or slow reading so you can keep attention on breath, pressure, and internal cues. If porn use feels compulsive or keeps pulling you away from real intimacy, step back for a while and get support if you need it. The goal is responsive arousal that you can feel and steer, not distracted arousal that you chase. Here is a simple way to structure a 12-minute starter session. Set the room, dim the lights, breathe slower than normal, and apply lubricant. Spend 2 to 3 minutes teasing through fabric or with very light touch over chest and hips. Keep your jaw relaxed. Move into slow, consistent strokes with lubrication. Switch hands once, change position once, edge one time. Stop, breathe, feel the urge soften, and either finish slowly with relaxed breath or stop before climax and carry that energy into your day. A few safety notes from your urologist. If skin gets irritated, rest for a day or 2 and use gentle cleansing only. If you tend to clench your pelvic floor, keep your exhales longer than your inhales and soften your abdomen so those muscles can drop instead of gripping. Rings are for short sessions only and must come off with any pain, numbness, or color change. Pain with ejaculation, burning, blood in semen or urine, a new curve in the penis, or persistent erection problems are reasons to be evaluated. Now bring these skills to partnered sex. Use the same pacing you practiced. Start with full hand pressure over her back and hips, slow breathing, and real kissing. Keep rhythm consistent. Change only one variable at a time, either pressure or speed or location, so her nervous system can lock onto what feels good. Remember that outer course is complete sex. Penetration is optional and can be added if and when it fits. Pick 2 of these tips and practice them 3 times this week. Next week, add 1 more. Small, consistent repetitions beat 1 heroic session. A brief note on 4 supports men ask about often, with links in the comments below. For a mild to moderate boost, choose organic watermelon extract, rich in L-citrulline, to support the nitric oxide pathway and healthy blood flow. For a much larger boost, use the advanced performance blend that combines icarian, tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle root, and citrulline to back circulation, stamina, libido, and urinary comfort. Add a testosterone support formula to complement sleep, strength training, protein intake, and weight management, so drive and energy remain consistent. Include a prostate comfort formula, focused on better flow, fewer night trips, and more restful sleep. These can complement your practice, but they do not replace the fundamentals of sleep, movement, nutrition, and medical care when needed. If you want a practical starting point, pick the watermelon extract for a steady lift, or step up to the advanced blend when you want a stronger effect. Then layer the testosterone and prostate supports as needed. Follow the dosing guidance on the labels, give it 2 to 4 weeks, and track morning firmness, stamina, and comfort. All product links are in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you soon.